Life as a parent can be crazy busy. Between school drop-offs, extracurricular activities, and everything in between, keeping your home clean can feel downright impossible. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some realistic cleaning hacks that will save you time and help you enjoy more of what really matters. Before we dive into these game-changing cleaning hacks, let's quickly talk about why cleaning is so important. Yes, it takes time, but the benefits are absolutely worth it. A clean home means better sleep, less stress, improved mental health, fewer pests, a happier mood, and even increased productivity. And let's not forget, you'll feel amazing when your space looks great. So let's jump into how you can achieve that without spending your whole day cleaning. The first hack: create a schedule. Life is busy, and cleaning often falls by the wayside. A simple schedule with just one task per day can make all the difference. Checking off tasks keeps you focused and motivated. It's all about small, consistent efforts. The second hack: don't stress about cleaning your entire house. Focus on the high-traffic areas, the rooms you use the most. A quick refresh in these spaces can make your home feel clean and inviting without draining all your time. Moving on to the third hack: set a timer and embrace the magic of speed cleaning. Whether it's 5 minutes or 30, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you focus. Pro tip: use a fun timer or stopwatch app to keep things exciting. Hack 4: cleaning doesn't have to be a one-parent job. Involve the whole family. Assign age-appropriate tasks to your kids. It builds responsibility and teaches valuable life skills. And don't forget to lead by example. When your kids see you cleaning, they'll want to pitch in too. And finally, the fifth hack: cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun. Crank up the music, turn it into a game, or even have a friendly competition to see who can clean the fastest. Get creative. Who says cleaning can't be a good time? Keeping your house clean as a busy parent isn't easy, but these simple hacks can help you stay on top of things without sacrificing precious family time. At Clean Services Jacksonville, we know how valuable your time is. That's why we're here to take the stress out of cleaning. Our professional team will make your home shine so you can focus on what truly matters. Visit us today and discover the clean home you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these hacks with other busy parents. Happy cleaning!